Hi and welcome. Martina here with another sparkle and shine video for WOW Embossing. Today I will be using their flock, especially the pink flock, which is I think my favorite flock from their range. And since I thought I use these way too less, I have been trying out some things and you'll see the results of my trials today. To start, I have been cutting 3 tags from mixed media paper. The dies, all dies I'm using today are Alexander Renke dies. And the stamp is an Alexander Renke stamp too. I am using that stamp with the WOW Embossing ultra slow drying ink directly onto the paper, and I'm pouring the opaque bright white embossing powder over it. These things, I usually do these things in series, so I'm just stamping on all 3 tags in a row, pouring the embossing powder over them, and we'll then be heat setting all 3 together. This makes just more sense in my brain. This will create a little resist on my tags, and you'll see in a second how it looks like. In school, they taught us that we should treat paper from both sides equally. That's why I'm using water on the back side and on the front of my papers. And I also knew that I want to have wet papers when I'm going onto the papers with the wet media, so everything flows even more nicely into each other. I am using my Starburst sprays for the tags. You could use any color spray you have on hand. You could also use distress inks or probably even oxides. You could use watercolor, whatever you have, whatever you like. I have my sprays, and as soon as I have a bit of every color on each tag, I'm just spraying some more water on it to get the colors in movement. Then I just tapped off the pools of water, which I thought would take ages to dry, and set everything aside to dry. I usually let these things dry naturally because I think it just dries more beautiful, even if it's sometimes hard because I'm very impatient. And then I thought, oh, when I'm going to call these mixed media tags, I have to add more mixed media, and went in with a white texture paste through a stencil. I know this adds a lot to the background and makes it very busy. And in retrospective, I also think I could have left the tags just with the stamping on it and they would have been equally beautiful. But I like them also how they turned out. In the drying time of the texture paste, I've been gluing a stripe of double-sided adhesive tape to a piece of cardstock and die cut my flowers from it. And then we are at the mixery part. This is the jar I've been using for my trials, an empty embossing powder jar where I put just a tiny amount of the flock in and a tiny amount of the crystal sparkles because I want to create sparkly flock. I mean, this is so good. I don't know why I haven't thought about it before, but I think it's a lovely thing. And if you're using the double-sided adhesive tape, as I am doing here with the flock and sparkle mix, it's really a clean, unmessy, super quick and simple way to use that product. You see, the petals are already finished and I can already start to assemble my flowers. The flowers are just plain white cardstock and I think they stand very nicely out against these velvety, sparkly petals of the flowers. Before I start to glue the flowers to the tags, I've been adding some dark blue dye ink to the edges of my tags because I always feel it frames mixed media pieces like this very well. Also, one of the preparing steps before assembling is adding a ribbon to the tags, so it makes it really tags, which could be added to a present or just thrown into a mailbox of someone. And then I'm already starting to glue the flowers onto the tags. I've been using double-sided adhesive tape on foam adhesive tape on the flowers just to add some more depth. And I'm now framing my little word stickers with a blue water-soluble pencil, and then just go around with a wet brush just to dissolve the color of the pencil and incorporate the stickers slightly more to the tags. And this is already it. I think this was very easy, very funny, and I absolutely love the tags. I hope you liked the video, I hope you liked the tags, and wish you a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.